Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and I'm going to tell you today about our Flexi-Edge floor and wall duster. The wonderful thing about this product is you are just using this head over and over and over to dust in your house. You don't have to have any disposables, and you're not throwing anything out, and you're not having to buy anything else. You're just using our Flexi-Edge. This head comes right off the mop. You just take it off, and then you just put it right back on. These sides, they go up, and that is so great because you can get baseboards with that as well. The other nice thing about our Flexi-Edge, like our other dusting products, is it captures the dust. It does not just push it around. So I'm really looking forward to you trying it and getting feedback to see what you think about our Flexi-Edge floor and wall duster. After you've used your eCloth a few times, you want to throw it in the washing machine. Regular detergent is absolutely fine. Just no bleach, no fabric softener. The hotter the water, the better. And then after I've done that, I throw it in the dryer. No dryer sheets either. And then your cloth is good to go the next time you need to clean. So please like and subscribe and comment below so you can tell us what you like about eCloth.